Okay, now I'm going to show you how to solve rational functions. And first, you want to find the domain of this function right here. And to find the domain, you just use the denominator in this problem. So it'd be, you use the quadratic formula to find the domain of this equation down here, which will be opposite of your b, which is 4, so it'd be -4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times your a, which is x, which will equal 1, times your c, which is 3, over 2 times 1. Plug this into your calculator. You'll get 4 over 2. Now you want to solve for the square root of this, which equals -4 plus or minus 2 over 2. Now solve for your domain. You want to do 4 plus 2 over 2 and -4 minus 2 over 2. Now 4 plus 2 equals -2, divided by 2 equals 1. And then -4 minus 2 equals -6 divided by 2 equals 3, -3. So your domain will be, when you're writing your domain, you want it to go from least to greatest. So you'll do -infinity, comma, -3, close parentheses, union, open parentheses, -3 and 1, close parentheses, union, I'll bring it down here because there's not enough room, 1, comma, positive infinity. So after you find your domain, you want to find the vertical asymptote. I'm going to erase this. We'll leave the -3 and 3. Erase all this. Okay, to find your vertical asymptote is just your x's that you found for your domain. So it'll be, your vertical asymptote will be x equals -3 and x equals 1. And that's your vertical asymptote. Okay, to find your horizontal asymptote, you want to look at these. You want to look at the numerator and the denominator. You're going to use the degree, which is 2 for the numerator, degree for the numerator equals 2. And the degree of the denominator equals 2, so they're equal. And the leading coefficient of the numerator is 1. It's x, and x equals 1. So the leading coefficient of the denominator is x also, so it would be x equals 1. So now you're going to look at if the denominator and numerator and denominator of the degree, well, if the degree of the numerator and denominator are equal, you want to divide the leading coefficient of the numerator by the leading coefficient of the denominator. And since these two are, it'll be y equals 1 over 1, which equals 1, and it should say y equals 1 is a horizontal asymptote. That's how you find the domain, vertical asymptote, and horizontal asymptote of a rational function.